How you doing, Mr. Jackie?
Good? Good.
I'm just gonna take a shot of your school right now.
Which can't defend the rain that sends dripping.
Hey, how you doing, guys? And your name is?
My name is Alex.
Alex. And sir?
Steve.
And you're president of school. What's the name of the school here?
NYFK.
So for how long you been here? Like,
I personally started about 5 months ago, and the more I go, the more I want to come, and the more
Yeah.
things become. So
I saw you like doing the hand trick thing. For me, it's like art. It's beautiful. So what did you join the school for?
I just really wanted to
Kick some ass? To kick some ass? Be cool?
I just wanted to learn Christie's martial arts. So I learned from his basics, and I just moved on. Learn what he learned, and then progress from there.
Oh, that's okay. And Alex?
Me, I was always just very fascinated with Chinese martial arts, and I did a lot of boxing. And I realized that if you learn this type of style of fighting, it's basically just better than anything else, in my opinion.
So you invited other people to come and join the school, right? Oh, it's cool. I really like it. I want to join it, man.
It's very
Beautiful, yeah. Well, thank you, guys. Thank you. Go ahead, sir. Yes, ready. That was amazing. You know, from the country I came from, Algeria, they love the Kung Fu style, the art and everything. They're really impressed by this thing, you know, like Jackie Chan stuff, they're really impressed by it. Especially the wooden thing here, I never saw it. So it's one of the students there, right?
That's that. He learned from me like 2 years.
2 years ago. That was amazing. That was amazing.
These words were never true. Now I find myself in question.
They point the finger at me again.
Guilty by association.
You point the finger at me again.
I wanna run away, never say goodbye. I wanna know the truth instead of wondering why. I wanna know the answers, no more lies. I wanna shut the door and open up my mind. I gotta run
فوالا كان معكم خوكم علي. جينا نوريكم هي الكونغ فو مارشال ارت. هذا قال لك سي با بور باتر